Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Journey. In today's video, we are talking about here WEEX World Cup, and there is an event going on WEEX Exchange. I will walk through this registration process, show you how to access in this event, explaining the different session here available on the event page. So go over some of the important rules and some facts. If you would like to participate in it, you can find my referral link in the video description, as we are also coming here on the week 16. But video starting, I want to put here some disclaimer. This video is for just educational purpose only. We are not your financial advisor, so you can also do your proper research, because this is also cryptocurrency activities involve risk. Always do your own research. Before we jump into this event, I want to tell you about that what is the WEEX platform. This is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that provide access to various crypto related services like analysis of the market, including the trader, as there is spot, future trading and community event. This platform regularly launches promotional campaigns to and event-based activities its user. Today, World Cup and the event is also given here. Time has been mentioned when it is going to end, but before that, you can also create your account on the WEEX platform. That is very simple. You are going to get here the platform details, where why we have chose, because there is some protection fund and their deep liquidity. Even you can also download their app for smoother experience. That is also possible. If you are going to join on the website, there is the sign up. We are going to create account on it. For that, you can write your email, put the referral code and go for sign up. It is also very simple. Or you can also continue with the Google, Apple or Telegram ID. This can also be possible to create account on the WEEX exchange. If you have already created the account, then you can enter your email or phone number along with your password to complete required security verification. Here is CAPTCHA we are going to complete, and now you can also check there is password required, so I am going to write there. After that, you can also check how we are coming into the dashboard. Before, here is Google Authenticator code. After coming into the dashboard, user can easily verify their account. For that, there is also verification, where you can also come get the instructions that has been given, and there is also get verify. There are steps if you want to continue. Follow the instruction provided by the platform and submit some requirement data. That is also here some document we are going to providing here details. If you want to go ahead start verification, there are some data that you are going to provide, and in this way you can also go for ahead. Guys, before exploring the event in a full detail, let me show you where the referral section is located. We can easily get here. There is also verifications and there is also referral activities. We are going to press that. So you can also find this section under coming your ID, and there is also the referral section. There is also what we have opened, and there is also the link now that we are going to copy, and we can also share to your friends. And if you are interested to joining through my referral link, you can find in the video description I have given. Now let's open the event page. First thing that you will notice in the register, you can also check out now button have been changed. Now there is also after the registration, we can easily click on the register, and our platform is now registered successfully. You can easily check out, and so make sure to join this event before completing any task. So we have to click on it, and now we can also roll it. It's mean there are some prize poll tasks, merits and their leaderboard facts and event rules and regulation that you can easily check. Participant can complete different activities available on the page through the event interface, and a leaderboard section is also going to display here some tasks. Here are also some future related tasks and some advanced challenges, so we are going to discuss one by one. You can also view your progress here too. Like their first one is about some getting points. There is WXT token and trial fund. So actually you are also going to get here, and there are also some uh, point that you are going to join with linking your phone number. This can also be done with your email link. If you are going to deposit $1, then you can also proceed to the next. So there, this video is for just educational purpose only. We are not your financial advisor. You can do your proper research before participating in any crypto activity. This event actually has also some shortcut to direct user to direct with different areas of the platform. For example, selecting here the future trade. Future section will take to future interface. If you are going to click on this trade option, and then it will come into this future trade section. You can also come here with the alt section on the future trade direct. Likewise, we are also going to open here WX Sports section will open corresponding their trading section. There is also from this video I am also demonstrating how platform navigation work, how these sections contact to the event directly. Here you can also start your trade future interface, and I have already shown you how it works. Now let's quickly review the frequently asked questions that has been given here at the end of video. Here is also facts. You can also check how do I join this event. Is there a prediction like participation period, or there is tracking progress? Even there you can also find some rules and regulation about their event. Before participating, always a good idea to review these official rules, some key points, some registration required, and their activities completing. Then you can also get some certain benefit about it. Our event eligibility, participation requirement, final interpretation, and for the complete details, always review the official event rules now. Overall, the World Cup and this event that you can also check out on the WEEX exchange. This event is really having different section of the WEEX platform while following the event activities available during the campaign. If you would like to check it out, you will find both event link in and my referral link in the video description. And thank you for watching this video. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share video, subscribe to my channel, and here for more updates and reviews and tutorials you can easily get. This is intended for informational and promotional purpose only, does not constitute financial advice or investment advice. Cryptocurrency activities involve risk may not be suitable for everyone. Please do your own research before participating in any activity.